these are the objectives in the knowledge determining the basic concepts of computer network. And for skills, the students will be able to draw a plan for table routes in accordance with the network design. And last, attitude, develop accuracy in planning computer network table routes. So I base my presentation on the module. So in the first part of the module is what I know for the pre-test. We are going to answer student work. We're going to answer the 10 items multiple choice since it is for modular type of modality. And next is for what's in or in explore. So in explore, we're going to integrate the values integration since it's talk about the 5 S in operational health and safety procedures. So they're going to identify the 5 S and answer the definition below. And the next part is the what's new from the module. The student will find out what are the internet service provider available in the vicinity area. So they will list down the speed and the bandwidth and the monthly plan of certain computer shop in their locality. So in that research, they integrate the mathematics analysis since if nako ang iyang monthly plan, mas gusto ang speed sa connection. So the next part is what is it, or what we call the explain part of the learning exemplar. The students are going to read the content from the module. So in this part, the students will read the different concepts in the module. The first is what is computer network, the computer components, and how are network categorized into category, topology, and architecture network, the peer-to-peer network, the client server based, and the peer-to-peer network, the explains sa module, the states sa dito, ang differences between the peer-to-peer network and client server network. Then it's also emphasized the different types of computer network, the LAN, the MAN, and the WAN, which is wired area network, and also the personal area network and the global area network. And the classification area of radiography also is emphasized on the explain part, which is the discussion part of the module. So after the explain part is the analysis. What will happen if you will not follow the safety procedures in the computer networking? So the possible answer of the student is if we will not apply the knowledge of DRE, there is a possibility that the application won't work or it may cause accident. So in this part, it integrates the DRRE concepts and also the values integration. And the next part of the module is what's more. So in what's more, we were going to apply what have we learned in the discussion. So if there is interconnection, we will click the link. Okay, we will copy this link on the browser. So in this part, they integrate the manipulation of the ICT or technology. So click nila sa link, so there's na sa login. So you log in their Google account or Gmail account. So once you log in their Gmail account, they can access the activity. This activity idea click is like a virtual blackboard where students can post their answers based on the question presented by the teacher. So in this part, it is collaboratively done by the students. So mga students mo post sila o mga answers nila based on the questions you present sa teacher. So first is you need to have a Gmail account. So in this part also, so this is the ideaflip.com. Meron siya blackboard, virtual blackboard na. You can paste your name, student name here, and example, the teacher will present a question here, and you will pick their answers here. Click. Okay, you can edit this one, type your name, and then make your answer. So virtual is yan. Then contributor. You can add your notes. The students can add their notes, but they cannot edit or delete the answer of other student. So collaborative yan. And in this part also, the indicator number 3 will indicate, as I said, it will have an ICT integration. And for those students na based on their geographical area, wala internet, wala cellphone, wala sila kanang access to the internet, so ini nila ang siran. So it fits to the indicator number 2 in the CO rating that the teacher will emphasize the teaching strategy that are responsive to the special educational needs of the learners based on this area, geographic isolation ng internet, dayon mas like gadget. So this na maka-answer sa ako ang online ang ICT integration. So to address this indicator, para ma-achieve na siyang indicator, so I provide activities for students na wala sila access sa internet. So nani siya sa module, muna na ang siran using bond paper or any sheets of paper na ilahang comply. So naigo ang indicator number 2 sa zero rating in this area. So let's move on to the assessment. So in this assessment, this is connected with the pre-test of what is your pre-test before, no din siya ang pag-was assessment to achieve the level of your students. So same gapon siya nga 10 items sa pre-test din. Then there is an additional activity, draw a plan for table rules in network design of computer shop, workstation computers, computer server, switch route, and interconnection with them na short bond paper. So this is the objective number 2, that the student will be able to plan for table rules. So the problem for this also, there are a few students na di sila ka-submit, we're not able to submit on time due to child labor. I observed that there are 5 students sa akong class nga work na sila, part-time job na sila. So mag-usod sila ani nga pag-comply sa task. So the strategy of the teaching strategy to achieve the indicator number 2, which is teacher should have a teaching strategy that are responsive to the special educational needs of the student based on the reflection nga dili siya on time mo submit ang bata. Yeah, based on my study and research, ni-ask ko questions sa mga parents at sa mga silingan nila na bata na nagtrabaho na din ang bata. So to address this problem scenario, as teaching strategy to address this, the teacher will conduct a regular home visit and apply the digital modality, which is atin na lang ko niya o ka ng mga online na submission para kung di siya maka-add sa eskwelahan makasubmit, dito na siya mag-submit na siya through online or GC Messenger. So naigos ang needs sa child labor na practices sa mga bata na nagtrabaho na. So dili naigos siya, and then na based on my kanang experience sa aning strategy, effective ang yung strategy kay submit na ang bata sa digital modality in essential. Sorry kay nagtrabaho ko ng time niya, available ko kay Saturday Sunday wala tong klase, so ako na send the writing. So based on this strategy, achieve siya. So to end my presentation, I'd like to share a quote from Michelle Ginay. Networking is not about just connecting people. It's about connecting people and people with ideas. and people with opportunities. So that's all. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you want to be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you.